Guys, to my YouTube channel. So today let's learn how to block all ads on your Android device. If you're asking, I've made a video for the Windows version and also for your iOS version, so go ahead to check out my channel and you'll find this right there. So let's go ahead to blocking all ads here on our Android device without wasting much time. So just go ahead to open. This is what you have to copy. This text here, dns.adguard.com. so make sure this is copied, and next thing to do is to open your settings on your Android device. So just go ahead to click in here on your settings. So this works for all Android device. What this doesn't work for is apps like YouTube, Facebook. So you still find ads in TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, because they have like naturally built in ad videos and stuff. But other apps as like website ads, game ads, is going to block all of them. So go ahead to your more connectivity option, go ahead to click on your private DNS and look at this. So you have to change this to your private DNS provider or name or custom DLS. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to edit this. So go ahead to get that stuff which I told you to copy. That's your dns.adguard.com, and paste it here and click here on save. So once you are done, you can close the settings and this should block all ad on your Android device. So just as easy as that. If you want the iOS version, it's right here on my channel. Go through my channel and you're going to find it, or just check the link in the description to get the iOS version and also the Windows version. So if you found this video useful, like and subscribe, and also share this video to people who actually need it too. Good day. So without wasting much time, if you want to block all ads on your device, just go ahead to your Chrome application here, and what you have to do is to search here for AdGuard install iOS. I'm going to click here on enter and click on the first website you find here. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to scroll down to this part. So if I go to my option tool, I'm going to try to expand my option tool, then go ahead to click on the iOS part. I'm just going to scroll down to download configuration profile. I'm going to click on download configuration profile, and I'm going to say available. I'm click here on continue, and I'm going to see this is going to download this. I'm going to click allow, so you can see this profile downloaded. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on close. I'm going to throw this away and go ahead to open my settings on my iOS. Click here on shut down to your settings. Just scroll. You can see the profile downloaded is shown there, or just scroll down straight to your general. So I'm going to click here on general. Next I'm going to do is to scroll down to locate my VPN and device management. So you can find the downloaded profile DNS. I'm going to click on AdGuard DNS. I'm going to try to install this. So click on install here. I'm going to enter your passcode. So let me just enter my passcode here. I'm going to say that you are going to click here again on install. So install here. So I'm going to click once it's installed. I'm going to click on my tick sign there. And next thing for me to do is to switch up. So go back and try to locate the VPN. Then what you have to do here is to click here on DNS and make sure it is here on your AdGuard.dns. Automatic means it's going to display video. So if you want it to display video, you can come at any time here to make it display video. But for here, put it on AdGuard.dns and it's going to block all ads on your iOS device. So if you found this video very useful, share this video and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.